Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are good and staying safe at your home. Your computer teacher welcomes you all in my computer online class. Now please look at the screen. Used. So let's start with chapter number 2. Please open page number 10. Chapter number 2, computer devices. What are computer devices? Computer devices are any electronic devices which are attached to the computer to work properly. So be ready with a pencil and come to the Get Set section. Read the clues to name the parts of a computer. Number 1 is, I look like a TV. I am a monitor. What is a monitor? It is a part of a computer which looks like a television. Next is, I work like your brain. I am a CPU. What is a CPU? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is also called as the brain of the computer. Next is, my name is the same as that of an animal. I am a mouse. A mouse is a pointing device of a computer. Next is, I have many keys. I am a keyboard. A keyboard has many keys on it and it is used for typing. Now please turn the page. Now you can see the image of a computer. A computer is made up of 4 different parts. These are the monitor, the CPU, the keyboard and the mouse. The part of a computer which looks like a television is called as monitor. The processor of a computer is called CPU. It is located inside a cabinet known as CPU box. The part of a computer which is used for typing is keyboard, and the part which is used for selecting, for moving and for dragging is mouse. Apart from these 4 parts, we can use many other devices with a computer. Some of these are speakers, headphones, microphone, CDs, DVDs and UPS. So let's start with speakers and headphones. We use speakers and headphones to listen to sounds from a computer. These devices are connected to the CPU box. When we use speakers, the sound produced by it can be heard by everyone who is nearby. But if you want to hear it only to yourself, you have to use headphones. Because when we wear headphones, the sound from a computer is listened to you only without other people hearing it. Now come to next page, microphone. We use a microphone to record sound. Fact 5. A headset is a device that has both a microphone and headphones. Our next heading is CD and DVD drive. As you can see on the screen, CDs and DVDs are round discs. They are placed in a special device called a CD or DVD drive, which is found inside the CPU box. The CD-DVD drive is a part of the CPU box. The drive reads the contents on the CD or DVD and plays or shows them for you. We use CDs and DVDs to store games, photographs, films and music. A DVD can hold more contents than a CD. Please come to next page. Checkpoint. Here you have to name the device Simran should use for each task. Choose words from the box. There is a hint box given there. So you have to choose the correct words with the hints given below. First is listen to songs. You will use headphones. Next is store photographs. We use CD to store photographs. Third is watch movies. We use monitor to watch movies. And the last one, to record a poem. We use microphone to record our poem. Children, you have to fill all these exercises in your book. all the written work will be sent through a PDF. So you have to fill all the exercises in your book and you have to write all the question answers in your notebook. So let's continue this chapter. UPS. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. A computer uses electricity to work, and if electricity goes out, a UPS supplies electricity to the computer. This is done for a short time. This time can be used to save our work and shut down the computer. It means a UPS provides battery backup to the computer when the light goes off. So this was a chapter number 2 in which we have learnt about all the electronic devices, all the computer device which we can use with a computer. So you have to read this again at your home and complete all the written work in your book as well as in your notebook. Thanks for watching the video. Take care.